Good morning everyone. This is Saranya S, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics from St.Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. Now I am going to discuss about theory of relativity. The laws of physics are the same for all observers in any inertial frame of reference relative to one another. This is the principle of relativity. The speed of light in a vacuum is the same for all observers, regardless of their relative motion or of the motion of the light source. Now let me discuss about reference frames. A body in motion can be located with reference to some coordinate system. Is called frame of reference. So what is meant by frame of reference? A system of coordinate axes which defines the position of a particle in 2 or 3 dimensional space is called frame of reference. Here it is an example for frame of reference. Suppose a train is moving and a person is sitting inside the train watching a tree pass by. In this case, the train is the frame of reference and the tree appears to be moving. If we consider the opposite of it, a person on the platform will look at the tree as a stationary object. It will be a frame of reference. Both these observations are correct yet different due to the different frame of reference. There are two types of frame of reference, that are inertial frame of reference and non-inertial frame of reference. So inertial frame means it is also called a Galilean or Newtonian frame of reference. It depends on Newton's first and second law of motion. There is no acceleration is observed for a particle free of any force or constraint. But in non-inertial frame, accelerated frames are observed. So it is called non-inertial frame. Inertial frame of reference. An inertial frame of reference is one in which Newton's first law of motion are valid. Inertial frames of reference are at rest or in uniform motion, but they are not accelerating. Example, the ball is moving at constant velocity because the total force acting on it is 0. So look at the picture, it is an example. Next, the concept of ether. So what is meant by ether? A material medium is a necessity for the propagation of waves. It was considered that light propagates through ether as the sound waves propagate through the air. An interesting question is whether relative motion between earth and the ether can be detected. In 1987, Michelson and Morley set out to measure the relative velocity of earth with respect to the ether. The principle of this experiment lies in noting the shift in fringes in the Michelson interferometer due to the difference in time taken by light travel to opposite the direction of motion of Earth. The time taken by a beam of light to travel along the direction of motion of Earth is greater than that to travel distance opposite to the direction of motion of the Earth. Surprisingly, despite best efforts, the presence of ether could not be detected. So this is the picture of ether. The ether binds due to the Earth's rotation. Here ether binds due to the solar system motion in the Milky Way. Ether binds due to the Earth motion on its orbit. About the Michelson interferometer we will discuss on the next PPT. Thank you.